Want to earn real cash from your couch without spending a dime? I've explored 10 legit websites that actually pay you, yes, you, to do super simple tasks. From surveys to testing products, this is the easiest way to turn downtime into dollar signs. Ready to change your side hustle game? Let's dive in. Hey there, welcome to the channel that makes online earning easy. If you've ever wanted to get paid for surveys, testing stuff, or just sharing your thoughts, these 10 legit websites are your ticket to quick cash. No experience needed. Let's jump right in. Quick heads up. Most of these money-making sites offer the best tasks to users in the US, UK, or Canada. So if you're outside those regions, like me, you'll need a proxy to access higher paying gigs. It's not optional, it's your ticket to unlocking premium opportunities safely and securely. First up, Fusion Cash. This site has been around for years and has built a reputation for being one of the more reliable platforms to earn online. You can make money by completing surveys, watching videos, trying out apps, clicking ads, and even listening to the radio. It's super beginner friendly, and they give you a $5 bonus just for signing up, which is a nice head start. Here's the real deal. Tasks range from a few cents to several dollars, so consistency is key. The minimum cash out is $25, and you can get paid via PayPal, direct deposit, or check. Just remember, if you're outside the US, you'll absolutely need a proxy to access the best paying tasks. Most of the juiciest offers are region-specific. With the right setup, you can start earning today just by doing things you already do online. Up next is GPT.com, a platform that runs on the Get Paid To model, hence the name. It's packed with opportunities to earn by completing tasks like surveys, offers, watching videos, downloading apps, and even referring friends. It's designed to be user-friendly and works well even for beginners, making it one of the more straightforward ways to start earning online. Here's the kicker. GPT.com partners with various reward networks, so you get access to a wide range of offers, some paying up to several dollars each. The more time you put in, the more consistent your income can be. Payout options include PayPal, gift cards, and even crypto in some cases. But again, if you're outside the US, UK, or Canada, you need a proxy to unlock those top-tier tasks. It's the secret sauce for maximizing your earnings and making sure you're not stuck with low-paying options. CashCrate was once one of the top dogs in online earning, and while it's shifted more into an offer wall aggregator, it's still worth a visit. You earn by taking surveys, completing offers, watching ads, and referring others. It's very community-driven too, with helpful forums and guides for newbies. They've partnered with several big-name advertisers, so payouts are reliable, and most users cash out via PayPal or gift cards. Keep in mind, offers vary by location, so if you're outside high-paying zones like the US, proxies are a must to access the full earning potential. Without it, you'll miss out on the most lucrative tasks. Points 2. Shop is all about gamifying your earnings. You collect points by completing surveys, watching videos, and trying apps, and then redeem those points for gift cards, prizes, or cash via PayPal. It's fun, interactive, and works well on mobile. They also have a tier system where you unlock bigger rewards the more active you are. Just like others on the list, the highest paying opportunities come from the US, UK, and Canada, so don't forget your proxy if you're outside these regions. Rewarding Ways stands out for its lightning-fast payouts. Some users get paid within hours. You earn by completing surveys, signing up for free trials, and clicking ads. It's simple to use and has one of the lowest cash-out thresholds, around $1.50 via PayPal, Skrill, or crypto. They run daily contests and bonus codes for extra earnings too, but again, region matters. If you're not in the US, UK, or Canada, using a proxy is essential to unlock the best tasks and offers. Zoombucks is your classic GPT site. Get paid to watch videos, take surveys, and complete online tasks. What's cool is their robust reward catalog, offering PayPal, gift cards, and even prepaid Visa cards. It's great for multitaskers who want to earn while browsing or binging videos. Want to access the top paying offers? You guessed it. A proxy is required if you're outside preferred regions. Think of it as your earnings unlock key. Surveytime is as simple as it gets. You sign up, take surveys, and instantly get paid $1 per completed survey, no points or conversions. What sets it apart is the immediate payout, often within minutes, straight to PayPal or Amazon vouchers. However, the platform prioritizes users from the US, UK, and Canada. Outside those areas, survey availability tanks. So if you're elsewhere, a proxy isn't just helpful, it's mandatory. Product report card focuses on feedback from real consumers. You earn by sharing opinions on products you've used or tested, especially home goods and electronics. Surveys can pay anywhere from 50 cents to $5 depending on the length and detail, and they even offer free products to review sometimes. Only certain countries get access to the full survey list, so once again, proxies are your gateway if you're outside the target zones. Testing time is a bit different. It pays you to participate in user testing for websites, apps, and digital services. You might join a Zoom call, test a prototype, or walk through a site. Each session pays between $10 to $50, making it one of the highest paying options here. But it's invite-based and region-specific. So if you're not in Europe or North America, using a proxy can help you appear eligible and get picked for premium gigs. Last but not least, Sumo lets you earn by solving real business challenges. Companies post problems and you submit ideas or solutions, sort of like a mini hackathon. Top submissions earn between $50 and $800 depending on the project scale. It's especially great for students or creative thinkers, but many challenges prefer applicants from top-tier regions. A proxy helps you bypass this and participate fully. This one's for people who love smart work over hard work. And that wraps up our list of 10 legit ways to turn screen time into earnings. Whether you're grinding or just browsing, there's a hustle for everyone here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips. And remember, with the right tools, your next paycheck might just be a click away. See you next time.